Skyhawks, when you're walking the halls of LC Bird High School, we ask you that you follow our one-way directional arrows that are located on the floor. We also ask while in the hallways that you try to remain 6 feet apart.
Welcome, Bird Skyhawks. Thank you so much for taking the tour with our Skyhawk mascot. You got to meet your bird family of administrators, counselors, and school personnel here to help you. The Skyhawk, the bell has just rung, and he is leaving science class and headed toward his bus. He is walking up the clinic hallway here into the large commons. Once he gets to the large commons, he's going to turn left and make his way to door 14 by the bus loop. He's going to jump on that bus and head home and tell his parents all about his day and get his homework done. That's what Skyhawks do. We work hard, play hard, and take care of each other. You will look forward to this time every day as well once you become a Skyhawk on Tuesday, September 8th. We know you are ready with your Chromebooks and everything is all set up, ready to go. And if it's not, we have a few hiccups, we are here to help you. You'll have a Google Meet that you can log in and get assistance, or you could call up to the school. We are here to guide you into your Canvas courses and make sure you have a great school year. You get to meet your teachers, learn all about which classes you're taking. And then, hopefully, we will be back together soon in the school building. Now we're at my favorite place at LC Bird, the football stadium, where we can all be together for pep rallies and Friday night sports and all kinds of track activities and watch our LC Bird band play the fight song. Go Skyhawks!